An upstate lab is hosting new clinical trials in hopes of gathering enough information to give better treatment options to certain people who are looking to lose weight.
Rashad Williams joins us now in our studio with more on how you can get involved. Rashad?
Well, Jane, one of the many things that Tribe Clinical Research in Greenville specializes in just so happens to be collecting data for new drugs on behalf of a manufacturer. Now, that data is gathered through clinical trials, which can ultimately lead to FDA approval. The door is open at Tribe Clinical Research for you to take part in brand new short-term trials for long-term treatment.
If you've ever taken an ibuprofen or a Tylenol or any sort of vitamin that has been a part of some sort of clinical trial along the way, where volunteers have gone before to try those different treatment options.
2 trials will focus on injection-style weight loss drugs that are classified at this time. The first, specifically for diabetics who may be considered overweight.
These diabetic patients could not have already been on a GLP-1, such as Mounjaro and Ozempic, some of the drugs that you've been hearing about in the news.
The second, for people who may be considered overweight and diabetic or non-diabetic who have experienced heart issues like a stroke or heart attack.
When you have patients that already have certain conditions like diabetes or have had a heart attack or had a stroke, and they're going on these specific drugs, they're going to get next level care.
The trials can last anywhere from 2 to 3 years. Tribe is offering the drugs and additional treatment free of charge to participants during the trial period, as well as reimbursement for time and travel.
Makes me feel really good to know that I was a part of a clinical trial.
Kathleen Parsons was a part of a previous trial and says participants are closely monitored. She encourages everyone who qualifies to get involved.
It's giving so many people the opportunity to learn more.
Tribe says advancing medicine and the future of treatment for all begins with you. And more information on the trials and how you can apply will be on our website, WYFF4.com. Jane?